Hey guys, Ray Lozano here, and I got an email from Casey out in Houston, Texas, and she asked me this question. Now, at the end of my assemblies, a lot of times I ask 5 questions to determine whether you have an addiction or not. Now, what I tell the kids is if they answer yes to one of the questions, they're on the road to an addiction. If they answer yes to 2 questions, it's a definite. What that means is the drug is starting to take over. If they answer yes to 3 or just the last question, it's a definite. The drug has taken over. They're not seeing any problems. School's still going well for them, but the thing is, the drug is starting to take over. Casey, here's the 5 questions. Question number 1. If you were to go to a party and there's no alcohol or weed there, and you think to yourself, man, that's boring. If you just said yes to that, you have an addiction, or you're on the way to an addiction. Question number 2. If you did go to the party and there was alcohol and weed there, and you're definitely going to drink till you get drunk or smoke till you get high, if a kid just answered yes to that question, they have an addiction in their life. The drug is starting to take over. Question number 3. If on Wednesday you start wondering where you're going to be drinking or smoking on the weekend, if they just said yes to that, it's definite. There's an addiction in their life because they're already starting to plan where they're going to be drinking or smoking on the weekend. Question number 4. If they've ever done something illegal or lied to get that drug. So if a kid's ever run into a grocery store, grabbed a bottle and ran out, told mom and dad they needed 20 bucks for school, but they knew they were going to buy weed with that, that's a definite addiction if they've answered yes to all 4 of those. Now, if a kid's answered no to those 4, but just this last one, it's a definite addiction. If you've ever had somebody look at you and say, wow, man, you can really drink a lot or you can really smoke a lot, and you're a little bit proud of that, it's a definite. What that means is the drug has taken over. You're not seeing any problems, the kid isn't missing school, but the thing is, the drug is starting to take over. For kids underneath the age of 21 who start drinking alcohol, all it takes is a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. That's it. And they can become a full-blown, have a full-blown addiction to alcohol. That's why our drinking age is 21. If a kid waits till they're 21 and they take their first drink of alcohol and they think, I want to become an alcoholic, now it's going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 years, not months. The younger you are when you start doing a drug, the quicker you become addicted to it. You guys, my name's Ray Lozano. Thanks for watching this video.